To use Circle to Search in POCO M8 5G, we're gonna start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and here locate the home screen. When you enter it, scroll all the way down to the bottom and pick System Navigation. That way we'll be able to find the press and hold home button, then select Circle to Search. Now to finally use it, we'll need to click and hold the circle button, and here we have our Circle to Search. Now to use it properly, there's few different features. So first of all, you can click anywhere on the screen. When there's a text, you'll be able to copy or translate that specific text. When there's just an image, like for example this, if we click on it, it will perform a Google search using the image that you've selected. Then next thing is to use standard Google search or voice input search. It will also tag your current screen with that, so it will kind of perform a Google image search combined with the writing search. Then we have option to detect music. If there's music playing nearby, then it may detect the title for you. Lastly, there's the translation. If you select that, you'll be able to translate from the already detected language of the text on your screen into the other language. Now, as you can see, the entire screen just translated to different language. And that is how you can use the Circle to Search. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.